Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to start without blocks in Block Blast. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Block Blast game on your device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you're on the home page, you'll see there are currently two modes available. If you click on Adventure Mode, you'll notice that you start with blocks already placed on the board. However, if you want to start without any blocks and keep the gameplay casual, go back and choose the Classic mode. In Classic mode, you begin from complete scratch with no blocks on the screen. Right now, this feature only works on iPhone. If you try it on Android, you might not be able to start without blocks because the game's developer hasn't provided this option on the Android version yet. But if you're playing on iPhone, you can easily start without blocks. For example, if you go back into Adventure mode and choose the first level, then replay it, it will always start with some blocks already in place. So, to start without blocks in Block Blast, simply select Classic mode on your iPhone, and that's it. So that's basically how you can start without blocks in Block Blast. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.